What are stock trading apps?
Stock trading apps are digital platforms that let you buy and sell stocks from your smartphone or computer. They connect regular investors to the financial markets, making trading accessible and simple. Users can view stock prices, place trades, track investments, and access news, all within a single app. These tools have reshaped how millions of people invest and manage their money.
How do you place a trade?
When you want to buy or sell a stock, you enter your order in the app by choosing the company and number of shares. Once you hit submit, the app quickly checks your account balance and sends your order to a network of stock exchanges or market makers. The goal is to match your order with someone on the other side, the buyer or seller, at the best possible price.
Order routing and execution.
After you place an order, the app's backend routes it to a stock exchange or a partner firm called a market maker. These firms ensure your trade is matched and executed, often in less than a second. The app aims for both speed and price, so you get the best available deal. Once completed, you receive a confirmation and the change appears in your portfolio.
Settlement and account updates.
Your trade doesn't fully finish until it settles, usually after 2 business days. During this process, ownership of money and shares officially transfers between accounts. Meanwhile, the app updates your account balance and holdings right away, so you always see the latest snapshot of your investments, even if the transaction is still settling behind the scenes.
Security, fees, and accessibility.
Stock trading apps use strong encryption and authentication to keep your account safe. Many offer commission-free trades, but might earn money through other means, like routing orders or interest on uninvested cash. By making investing simple and affordable, these apps let more people participate in the stock market than ever before.